In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your Trello cards in one place. If you juggle multiple boards, this quick workflow will give you a single, organized view of everything assigned to you so you can plan your day without hopping between boards. You'll only need the built-in cards page in Trello, and we'll stick to a few simple clicks. Start by opening Trello in your browser or desktop app and head to your boards page. This is the dashboard where all your boards live. You don't need to open a specific board for this. Think of the boards page as your starting gate before you dive into the unified list. Next, look to the top right of Trello and click your profile avatar. That opens your account menu, which includes shortcuts related to you, not any one board. From that menu, click Cards. This takes you to a dedicated page that gathers every card you're a member of across all boards and workspaces you have access to. It's a powerful consolidated view. You can scan titles, see due dates at a glance, and open any card directly from here. If a card you expect to see isn't listed, you're likely not a member of that card yet, or it might be archived. Add yourself as a member on the card or unarchive it on its original board to include it in this list. Now, let's make this list actionable. Use the sort control to sort by due date. Sorting by upcoming due dates is ideal for prioritizing the next 24 to 72 hours. Overdue items will float to the top when sorted accordingly, which is perfect for catch-up sessions. Cards without due dates typically sit at the bottom, so if you find too many there, consider adding due dates to bring structure to your workload. You can switch the sort direction if you prefer to see the far future first, but most people find soonest first the most helpful. Finally, refine your view with filters. Use the filter options to display only cards from specific boards, labels, members, or due date ranges. This is great when you're context switching. Filter by a single board to focus, or by a label like high priority to isolate critical tasks. You can combine filters, for example, a specific board plus due this week to keep your list tight and relevant. When you're done, clear the filters to return to the full list. That's it. With the cards page, a due date sort, and smart filtering, you'll always know what needs your attention next.